Alright, you are welcome to our chemistry class. Today we are going to solve this question on the board. Which of the following gases will diffuse fastest when passed through a porous plug? A. Propane, B. Oxygen, C. Methane, D. Ammonia. This question was done from a topic in chemistry, that's molecular movement. So when we are talking about the movement of molecules, so for instance, division is defined as the movement of molecules from region of higher concentration to that of lower concentration. So the following gases, for instance, they are subjected to this porous plug. What's a porous plug? A porous plug is just a device that we use in controlling the flow of fluid, whether liquid or gas. So control their flow and see which one travel faster, which one travels slower. So when you have a question like this, the relation we normally use is the relation R solution. That is, we share RMM is equal to 2 multiplied by vapor density. So you start by calculating the relative molecular mass of each of these guys. For propane, we have C3, that's H8. Then when you calculate the relative molecular mass of propane, we have this 3 into bracket 12. Remember, your carbon is 12 plus 8 into 1. So when you do that very well, so 3 multiplied by 12, that will be 36. 36 plus 8, that will be 44. So and that for the vapor density, you divide this guy by 2 and you have 22. For propane, we have the vapor density to be 22. That is for option A. For option B now, we have oxygen, which is 0.2. For oxygen, the oxygen atom is 16, and then we have the oxygen molecule. So that means you multiply the 16 by 2. Then you have 32. By the time you divide this by 2 as well, you have you divide by 2, you have 16. 16 as vapor density here, 22 as vapor density here for propane. Then for C here, we have methane. Methane, that is CH4. CH4, you have your carbon to be 12 plus 4 into 1. When you do this very well, you are going to have 16. And then when you calculate your vapor density, you divide 16 by 2. So this by 2, this by 2, this also by 2. Then this will give you 8. Then for the last guy, that's the ammonia. So ammonia is given to be NH3. Ammonia, nitrogen is 14 plus 3 into 1. You add 14 to 3, that will give you 17. By the time you divide 17 by 2, that will give you 8.5. Ladies and gentlemen, honorable viewers, so when you look critically, you will see that methane has the lowest vapor density, and that means methane is our answer. Methane is the only gas that will travel, that will diffuse fastest when all these gases are passed through a porous plug. Thanks a bunch for viewing.